Have you ever signed up for something, thinking it would be a breeze to cancel? But then, reality hits, you're trapped in a labyrinth of customer service hell. Well, today, we're tackling one of those frustrating beasts, canceling your Transunion membership. Let's face it, credit monitoring services can be a lifesaver. They alert you to potential identity theft, credit card fraud, and other financial threats. But what happens when you decide it's no longer worth the cost or you simply don't need it anymore? That's where the fun begins. Transunion, like many other credit bureaus, offers credit monitoring services. And while it's a valuable tool for some, getting out of their system can feel like trying to untangle a ball of yarn with cats around. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process, step by step. Understanding your membership. Before diving into the cancellation process, it's crucial to understand exactly what you're subscribed to. Did you sign up for credit monitoring, identity theft protection, or a bundle of services? Knowing your membership type will help you navigate the cancellation process more efficiently. Check your account details. Look for information about your subscription, including the start date, end date, and any recurring charges. This information will be handy when contacting Transunion. Cancellation Method 1, Online. Let's start with the digital route. Most companies prefer you to cancel online, as it saves them time and resources. So, fire up your browser and head to the Transunion website. Look for Manage Account or My Account section. This is usually where you'll find the cancellation option. Log into your account using your credentials. Once inside, explore the different sections. You might find a Cancel Membership or Unsubscribe button. If you're lucky, it'll be straightforward. Just click the button, confirm your decision, and you're done. But let's be real, it's not always that simple. You might encounter hidden cancellation pages, unclear instructions, or even a missing cancellation option altogether. Don't panic. We'll explore other options shortly. Cancellation Method 2, Phone. If the online route proves fruitless, it's time to dial up Transunion's customer service. Find their phone number on their website. Be prepared to wait on hold. It's inevitable. While you're waiting, gather all your account information. This will speed up the process and reduce frustration. When you finally connect with a representative, be clear and concise. State your intention to cancel your membership. Provide your account details and any relevant information. Don't be afraid to repeat yourself if needed. Some customer service reps might try to convince you to stay, offering discounts or additional features. If you're firm in your decision, politely decline and reiterate your cancellation request. Cancellation Method 3, Written Notice. If the online and phone options fail, you still have one more card to play, the written notice. While it might seem old school, it's a legally sound way to document your cancellation request. Draft a clear and concise letter stating your desire to cancel your Transunion membership. Include your account information, contact details, and the effective date of the cancellation. Send the letter via certified mail with a return receipt requested. This provides proof of delivery and can be helpful if there are any disputes later. Confirmation and follow-up. Regardless of the cancellation method you choose, follow up to confirm the cancellation. Wait a few days and check your bank or credit card statements for any additional charges. If you notice any suspicious activity, dispute the charges immediately. It's also wise to monitor your credit report for any changes or errors. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. To avoid these cancellation headaches in the future, consider reading the terms and conditions carefully before signing up for any service. Pay attention to cancellation policies and fees. Also, keep a record of your account information and customer service interactions. Canceling a Transunion membership might feel like navigating a maze, but with the right approach, you can successfully break free. Remember, you're not alone in this battle. Many consumers face similar challenges. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.